Do you want to start your own multi-vendor application but don't know how? Then check out our latest application like Flipkart and Amazon. You can see amazing UI like this where a customer can see all of your offers and product and category like this. Easy to use application. You can have unlimited banners, unlimited category and unlimited products on your application. Yes, unlimited everything. You can have unlimited sellers registering on your platform and selling your online products. WhatsApp us directly on this number showing on your screen, or you can visit raunix.com so you can directly make your own multi-vendor application like this. When a customer click on a banner, they will see products inside it like this. They can click on a product and easily see the details and add to cart. You can see all of these things easy to change. You can click on a product and you can choose its size, its colors, variations and everything. If you click on blue, blue product image will come. If you click on black, black product image will come. That is the latest feature that you are getting in the latest Amazon Flipkart clone application. This is a WordPress based website and Flutter application. You can get complete Android app, iOS app, seller, web admin, website and everything. What are you waiting for? Directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on your screen, or you can visit raunix.com. You can apply coupon codes and you can have online payment and COD everything. Your customer can enter their name, their number, their address, their online payment detail or COD. You can control you want to enable COD or not. You can have online payment through Razorpay, PayPal and any gateway that you want. Easy to use, the most efficient multi-vendor application. So what are you waiting for? Directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com so our team can help you to make your own multi-vendor complete platform with user app, website, admin, seller web admin and 1 year free technical support. You can see your orders like this, and that is how we place our order. You can also see your wallet feature where a customer can earn wallet point on each order. So let's say you have set it 10 points, so every time 10 rupee they will earn that they can use in the next order. You can also search products like this, easy to search. You can also share products. You can also wishlist item easily like this. Just click on this heart button and wishlist the items, and you can see all of these in your wishlist section. So this is a complete Amazon Flipkart similar application in your budget, in your timeline. You can see products by categories like this and much more. So for more, kindly contact our team so we can help you the best and make your own Amazon Flipkart clone application. The number is showing on your screen, or you can visit raunix.com. For more, kindly watch all the videos and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.